Um, I think in physics, St. Stanislaus, we had an experiment in which we had wire attached to a high point, and we attached the mass and measured the increase in length to somehow arrive at a constant k. That was for a wire, not for a spring. So I looked up springs and I saw Hooke's law, and then I see it also says it can be used as a harmonic oscillator. So to have your flywheel rotating, rather having pistons doing it, you can have springs doing it. Because the springs, because of their physical nature, they release and then absorb energy once they're within their elastic limit. They have to be selected for the correct, range of forces. They have to be optimized. I think the springs will do it best. And once your axles or shafts are well greased, you can also use gravity because it wouldn't be in the way. Gravity on the wheel. Now, if you use gravity on the wheel, it will make the system more complex because the springs will have to overcome the gravity. So it's probably best to use one predominant force, either spring or gravity, and some other forces. And then you just introduce the tuning forces to the extent that it will maximize RPM and torque. So of course you're not going to be gaining energy or making energy, but because of the design is going to be continually rotating, and when you run your alternator, it produces electricity, and when that electricity goes to ground or gets used up in your load, electrical load, it sums to zero. But all of that happened in between. Look at ourselves on the earth. Conservation of energy, but we are born and we grow and we die. All within the conservation of energy theorems, right? Or whatever they're called.